Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over Systeme.io. It's a funnel builder that allows you to build funnels, and you could actually get this for free as well too. And they do have some different upgrade plans, but right now I'm going to get into the tutorial right now. So there's a filter option, and then there's a create. So we're going to go to create. Okay, and then we're gonna go to build an audience, okay, to collect email addresses and build your email list, and that is important with affiliate marketing, okay. And then you have a different option for the funnel domain. I already created a domain, so for this purpose, we're gonna choose my domain that I made, and then we're gonna choose build an audience. Okay, so we're gonna click on, oh, you could choose your currency too if you're in different countries. That's only if you're setting up a payment option. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna go ahead and create. Oh, let me go ahead up here. And then for this one, for this purpose of this video, we're gonna put test. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit create. All right, and it says up here, funnel created successfully. So refresh my system real quick here. All right, and then there's different funnel options. So we'll go down the list here. All right, and for this purpose, we're gonna go ahead and choose this one. All right, and then here are all of our options. There's a save funnel step, view funnel, edit page, which we're gonna go to, and then change page template. And then they have the squeeze page. They have the different steps, the squeeze page and the thank you page. Okay, and I'm going to go over all these here in a minute once we get done editing the page. So we're going to go to edit page. Okay, so we're going to wait for that to load up. Sorry, my internet's kind of slow here. All right, and then so we're going to build a landing page in minutes. And then you have your lead magnet. Now in a later video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet as well too. All right, so we're going to change this. We don't need this at the top here. We're going to go ahead and delete it. It's really simple, better than ClickFunnels. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and delete this also. We're going to delete this. Don't need that. And here's what you're left with. Okay, so I'm going to put an example here. And then we're going to create a catchy headline here. Let's see. So put free video reveals how you can earn money. Well, how you could earn up to $100 per day from home. Okay, that's just an example. All right. Let me just space that out. And then you could also edit this as well. Let's just leave it here and then go here. And then you're going to go ahead and center that. Okay, so this is a good enough example. So we're just going to leave the top there. We're going to leave the lead magnet. And then we're just going to take this off. You don't need any of this at the bottom. Okay, so it's that easy to just delete stuff here. For time purposes, I'm just gonna take this all off. Okay, so let's see here. And then lastly, just delete this. All right, now if you want to go ahead and view this, so boom. So there you have it, your landing page, and that was quick and easy. Okay, there's nothing extra involved with it. And then also, if you want to link a landing or link your affiliate link right away, you always have to hit send form. So there's show pop up, open URL, next URL step, download. You're gonna send form, okay? Then continue the next step, or to a custom URL, or no direction. So in this case, for time purposes, we'll just say custom URL, and then type in your URL, and then you're gonna save your changes, okay? And then you're gonna exit back out here. All right, and then you could just delete this page, and then you're gonna go to automation rules. Just refresh the page real quick. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add a rule. Okay, so a rule is like any type of trigger, whatever they do. Okay, subscribe to your email list or page visited. You're gonna click on page visited, and then you're just gonna simply add an action. So you're gonna just simply, let's go back to automation rules, and then you're gonna just simply add an action, okay? And then, so you have subscribe to a campaign, unsubscribe, add a tag, remove a tag, send an email, send an email to specific address, enroll in course. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and subscribe to a campaign, and then we have different ones. So in this case, for just using this as an example, I already created a campaign. So we're going to enter Systeme sales funnel. And then we're going to add another action. And this is very important. So we have to add a tag as well too. To send out later on, we're going to send out a newsletter, which is equivalent to an email blast. Okay, so we're pretty much going to save this now. And for this video, I'm not going to save it, but that's pretty much how you build a funnel, okay? And then, so we're going to go to emails, and then we're going to go to campaigns. And I already have my campaigns here. In a later video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email campaign. All right, now, like I said, this is free, and this is also important when it comes to affiliate marketing. All right, if you want to join for free, go ahead and click the link below. And once again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.